Hi, this is Michaela Minkler. We are going to go over the coordinate plane with integers part 2. This is kind of an introduction into later questions that you will see, possibly with rational numbers as well. We are going to do this introduction with integers just to do this tricky topic with simpler numbers before we get a little bit harder in the rational numbers unit. So we need to remember that the x and y axis. So we need to remember which one is the x and y axis. The x axis is the horizontal axis, and the y axis is the vertical. Horizontal is side to side, vertical is up and down. When we have ordered pairs a point's location. The x coordinate is given first, and the y coordinate is given second. That is very important. When you are moving along the axis, pay attention to the interval of each axis. The interval means how much each box is counting by. So it may be counting by 1. It may be counting by twos, threes, it may be counting by a halves. You don't know, you just need to look at the graph and figure that out. Sorry, I'm struggling a little bit. And then if you're moving along the axis, it's telling you to move. You need to make sure you're moving in the correct direction, it's telling you. Horizontal is left and right on the x-axis. Vertical is up and down on the y-axis. All right, number 1 says the graph shows point A. What is the location of point B 3 units to the right of point A? So if I go 1, 2, 3, that is my new point. This is point B. My new ordered pair for point B is 2, 3. Remember, this is the x direction, y direction. The graph shows point C. What is the location of a point in quadrant 1 at a vertical distance of 5 units from C? If you remember from the other notes, part 1, this is quadrant 1. We are going up 5 units to get to this quadrant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1, 2. So my point, it didn't give a name, so I'm just going to label it point, is at 1, 2. All right, now we're going to get a little bit trickier. Riley is drawing a right triangle, DEF, on the coordinate grid. The base of the triangle is shown. The height of the triangle is 3 units. What ordered pairs could represent F? So we need to look at this, and a right triangle means it has a 90-degree angle. So I am going to go 3 units from D in both directions, up and down. So 1, 2, 3. So it could be here. This is a possible F. So this is a possible triangle. That ordered pair is -8, 8. We have a possible triangle here. which is -4, 8. We have a possible triangle here, which is -8, 2. And then a possible triangle here, which is -4, 2. The student is drawing a horizontal line segment on a graph. The student starts at point 7, -6. So I'm going to graph that first. So 7 is going to be right here. These are counting by twos. 7, -6 right here. And extends the line segment 8 units to the left. So that's that. So that's that direction to the left. Plot both points and draw the line segment. So 7 to the left. So 7 to 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So -1, -6. And it says draw a line. All right, thank you so much for watching.